I realized that in today's time, that's a bit of a thing because there's so much out there. You know, if you go onto TikTok, YouTube, whatever, you get so much things about Christianity, and I would like go like this about Christianity, because some of this stuff is outright flaky. So it's so difficult to know to what type of teaching should I devote myself. And it's actually the book in Acts, the word there was not just teaching, but it's the word doctrine. Doctrine means this is what we believe. This is what we believe. And there's some elements of absolutes in what we believe. Absolutes, like Jesus was born from a virgin. He was, he was crucified. He died. He was raised from the death and ascended to heaven. There's absolute. And then there's some things that we believe, but it's not necessarily absolutes. Now, how do you know when a thing is an absolute? If you have 3 or 4 different places in the Bible where the same theme appears, then that can be an absolute. But if you have one scripture and there's enough room to wiggle to anything, then that might be an interpretation or assumption. And we believe that we need to focus on the absolutes. Doctrine. So devote yourself to things that is an absolute. Don't go and follow that rabbit trail down whatever is out there.